Welcome to our video tutorial on migrating your WordPress website to a new hosting provider. In this video, we will provide you with a comprehensive step-by-step guide to help you successfully migrate your website without any hassle. So, let's get started. Backup your website. The first step in any website migration process is to create a backup of your website files and database. This ensures that no data is lost during the migration. There are several backup plugins available for WordPress, such as Backup Buddy or Updraft Plus. Simply install and activate one of these plugins and follow the instructions to create a complete backup of your website. Export and import database. Once you have a backup of your website, it's time to export your database from the current hosting provider. Most hosting providers offer tools like PHPMyAdmin or cPanel for managing your database. Access your current hosting provider's control panel, locate the database section, and export your database in SQL format. With your database exported, it's time to import it into your new hosting provider. If your new hosting provider offers a similar control panel, navigate to the database section, create a new database, and import the SQL file you previously exported. Make sure to update your database credentials as necessary. Transfer website files. Next, it's time to transfer your website files to the new hosting provider. You can achieve this by using an FTP client such as FileZilla. Connect to both your old and new hosting provider via FTP and navigate to the root directory of your WordPress installation, which is usually named public_HTML or www. Simply drag and drop all the files from your old host to your new host. Update DNS settings. After transferring your website files, it's essential to update your domain's DNS settings to point to the new hosting provider. To do this, you need to access the domain management area of your domain registrar's website. Locate the DNS settings and update the nameservers to those provided by your new hosting provider. This process usually takes some time to propagate globally, so be patient. Test and troubleshoot. Finally, it's time to test your newly migrated website. Visit your domain in a web browser and make sure everything is working as expected. Check all your pages, posts, plugins, and forms to ensure they are functioning correctly. If you encounter any issues, refer to the troubleshooting section of our provided guide or seek support from your new hosting provider. Congratulations! You have successfully migrated your WordPress website to a new hosting provider. We hope our step-by-step guide has made the process smooth and hassle-free for you. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like and share it. And remember, if you have any questions or need further assistance, feel free to leave a comment below. Thanks for watching.